They will talk about how can you fix this problem on your Kingdom sub. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do, so you just go down here, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Kingdoms app, or just click here on search. Then here are kingdoms. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on full stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. Then here you search for Disney Magic Kingdoms. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.